Hi, I'm Michael Ryden, and this is my digital filmmaking class.
Our first act is the flying trapeze.
Oh, look! Looks like the mayor is going to speak right now.
We're sorry to interrupt your scheduled program for this emergency breaking news.
Yes, take it down to Bessie at the latest crime scene for more of this developing story.
I'm Betsy reporting live.
I see something there, like a cabin.
Let's investigate this. I need a way.
What's happening to my skull?
So the class is really exciting. The students learn how to make a film from start to finish utilizing green screen technology. So phase one is learning all the equipment, the camera, the audio boom, proper lighting. Once we master those skill sets, we move into scene and script writing. We are using the latest technology to pull off the most amazing special effects. So it is a lot of fun. Isn't that cool? Well, we can teach you how to do it. Don't just sit around thinking about this. Do something that's going to change the course of your life. Call now, 773-645-0222, and visit us at chicagoactorstudio.net. See you in class.